In today's Sunday solution, we're going to show you how we polish our rims.
It's time
for another Sunday solution.
Let's go.
Today we're going to try a couple different techniques. One that I've used in the past, and then one I'm going to try new today. See what kind of results we get. First thing we want to do is remove our lug caps, which they're really tight, so we're going to use a small screwdriver. Just be careful not to scratch them. They make a tool for these to come off that grabs it right here, but I don't have one. First thing we're going to do is clean it. Yeah, we're going to clean your ears. Before anybody starts about the jacks picking the front wheels up off the ground, you can do it temporarily. So, but you do what you want. This is the way I'm going to try this new tool my brother picked up from Harbor Freight. We're going to give this a try. Typically, I use the mother's Powerball with a drill. But we're going to see if this works better. I'm just going to put a little bit on the edges too, because I'm going to give it a whirl. All right. Oh, look out.
Right. Look at that.
Man, that's pretty. Isn't she pretty? I gotta do a little more. But that's probably the most mirror shine I've ever had. Like right here. See that? It's like a mirror, dude. It's like glass. Try a little more on the edge, though. That's a little bit too much goop. Stuff goes a long ways. See if I can get a little better in here. The rest of it is phenomenal.
No, it's next after the first wheels.
What?
Third wheels.
The Jeep? No, mine are clear coated. That's one thing you gotta be make sure of before you do this. That your rims aren't clear coated. Some rims are now. Oh, what do you think, David? See, right here is where the rock chips were when you flip the rim over. It's literally polishing them out. I can see it come, slowly. Yeah. If I stayed on it for a while, or these are pretty deep, I'd probably have to sand them. That's pretty shiny. That's way better than that mother's wheel, but I'll probably use that on the holes. I don't know how this is gonna work. I'll find out. Right. All right, let's try this. All right. I think I'm gonna have to go to the Powerball for the holes. See if we can get in the holes with this without it totally coming apart. We've seen better days. Come on, baby. There. So there you have it. That's the finished product. About a half hour's maybe worth of work. It took me more. Actually, I got a little bit of stuff on there. Maybe a little more. But that's how we do it. It's shiny enough for me. So, and it's kind of cloudy out. It's overcast today, so it's hard to really see the shine. This is the tool we used. It's a Bauer or buffer. You can pick them up at Harbor Freight. And I think he got it. It was $69 normally, and he got it for $49 on sale. And then there's a little kit from Amazon I've had for about a year. It has a paint stripper wheel, or a decal stripper, I'm sorry, not paint. And then some buffing wheels in there, which is pretty good. So I'll put a link in the description for that. And I'll get back to you after we do the other ones. But right now, we're gonna cover that bad boy up. Well, we got her covered up. First thing, we'll take our cap off. That's your tool. It tells you which way to turn, the driver's side or passenger side. A lot of people ask about that. They don't know what that is. So, passenger side says this way. And she is tight. There we go. Easy, buddy. Okay. Put that aside. Now pull our caps. There it is. That's the finished product. It's got a little bit around the lug nuts where I couldn't get at it, but overall, she looks pretty good. So there's that one. She came out pretty good. There's a little bit of pitting in there, just kind of deep. But again, it's good enough for me. I got one more to do, and we'll be good for a little while. You have to keep in mind this coach, full time, gets dirty. We use it. It doesn't sit in the garage. So probably did 16,000 miles last year, touring around the country. So, all right, so there you have it. The finished product. Came out pretty good. So that's how we do it. I definitely like the tool from Harbor Freight and the foam pad. Better than the Powerball. So I'll definitely use that again if I do them again, when I do them again. Again, this isn't a how-to video by no means. This is just showing you how I do it. So, you know, do your research if you're gonna do something similar to this. And you know, go from there. These covers are one of the best things I bought. I got them from Nichols Custom, Trevor Nichols in Red Bay. I gotta tell you, I like them. If you don't mind having the snaps on your rig, which I don't, I'm sure you could paint them, have them painted to match the color, but they're much easier to deal with. They have a lead weight in the bottom, or a weight, metal weight, and that keeps them from getting crazy. And they're definitely the way to go. Trevor's a good guy and does good work. Plus, I got a set of the windshield wiper covers in here that I'll be putting on too for a little, because we're going to be here for a little bit. So, but they're nice because you don't have to reach over the tires and all that. And if you're smart, put them on before your slides are out. They're even easier. Some of the upcoming projects we're going to have, I'm going to be removing this diamond shield. So, it's pretty tore up. Different spots. Drives me crazy. Plus it has mold growing. It's starting to mold here. So we're gonna get that done one of these days. That's a big job. Not gonna be fun, but we'll get it. We may have to head to our friends at Appalachian Foothills to get some paint work done if we're unlucky enough to lose some paint when we do it. So you never know. Tiffin paints them. Sometimes they put the diamond shield on before the paint's even cured enough, so when you try to remove it, you end up peeling some of the paint. And the other project I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking that mud flap off right there. I don't like it. It was on there when I bought the coach. I don't know if La Mesa put it on or the previous owner put it on, but the problem with it is there's an exhaust right there. It's kind of stupid to put a mud flap here with 1300 degrees heat coming out. So that's going to be, that'll probably be next week. Sunday solution maybe. So we're going to get that off of there. I'll take a look at it and see what I can do as far as running a mud flap, not running a mud flap. I don't know. You know, the wheels on these things, on my coach anyway, is such a long tail swing that I don't think stone chips would be an issue. I really don't. So there's a lot of downsides to having that on there too. If you're unlucky enough to come across a piece of tire laying in the road or something, it may clear the whole coach, but it's not going to clear that because it's only 4 inches off the ground. And you can find yourself in a big mess ripping that thing off on the side of an interstate. So I just don't like it. So we're going to take that off. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, click the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.